Ma'am, yung majority ng mga ganitong klaseng business or clinics, they usually tap mga personalities, mga celebrities. Meron ba kayong balak in the future or meron na kayo ngayon na
Actually, may plano talaga. Wala pa lang kaming natatap ngayon. We are still trying to decide kung sino yung magiging best face, di ba? Kasi yun yung
Ambassador.
magiging ambassador,
Oh.
ambassadress, di ba, nung clinic. So, nasa works pa kami nun, but definitely yes. Kasi yung na-experience ng clients namin in terms of the results of the treatments, gusto namin na ma-share din widely na after one treatment, after two treatments, they see the result, they appreciate it. So gusto namin yun din yung makikita ng iba, and known personality would really help kasi kita siya lagi, di ba? And the reach is bigger than ours.
There are other, more established big brands na out there. Para how would you differentiate yung inyong services from them, and ano yung mga advantage for, para puntahan ng inyo?
Right now, I believe kasi the trend is towards wellness na din naman. So, I think we are one of the few na nag-start, or one of the few na nakasakay dun sa boat na yon. We are also focusing on regenerative treatments like stem cell treatments, yes, and then regeneration in terms of the skin, the hair, overall regenerative treatments naman yung ino-offer namin together with aesthetics. So, I think a known big brand recently opened also. So, ang advantage nila would be, syempre, they're already in the business for years. But in our case, we're very aggressive with exploration of new treatments. And then, I'm confident then that we provide better care kasi yung estheticians na namin and the doctors, they are trained to do those treatments also, and the customer service. So yun yung gusto namin ma-feel naman ng clients, na hindi yung pagpasok nila, paglabas nila parang wala na kami pakialam sa kanila. It's a feeling that we are with them throughout their journey. Ayun.
Medyo cliche yung question ko, pero in 5 years or 10 years from now, how do you see your business?
Yes. Well, kami we're really dreaming of having multiple branches, of course. Pero if that would sacrifice the care that we can provide, syempre hindi naman namin yun ipupush agad, diba? So, I'm not being aggressive na magne-name ako na, I want 5 branches or I want 3 branches. It would really depend on the quality of care. Kasi I believe the importance is the repeat clients. Pwedeng marami kang new clients, but if the repeat clients, hindi nila na-feel na dapat bumalik sila sa'yo. So, wag na lang, diba? So, yun, gusto ko ma-maintain namin yun. The good quality of treatments and the service. So, tiin ko, una is the branches, but secondary would be that to maintain pa din na kung ano kami when they started with us, gusto ko yun pa din yung makikita na or ma-feel nila or ma-experience nila 5 years after. Additionally, treatments talaga. Kasi I believe treatments and technology, yung improvement, it's never ending. So, we really plan to ride that boat also, na kung merong bagong treatments overseas, kung merong mga new technologies or new procedures that we can cater dito. So, gusto namin yan at least 1 to 2 either machine or treatments that we can offer